In the previous video, we learned that a ratio is something that is used to compare two quantities, and that ratio is represented by mentioning the first quantity, putting a colon, and then writing the second quantity. Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math, and in today's video, let's understand how to write ratios correctly. So, if I have a box in which I have 6 pencils and 9 pens, to write the ratio of pencils to pens, I will write 6 and a double colon is to 9. But always and always remember that the ordering is important. If I have to write the ratio of pens to pencils, this will be 9 is to 6. Again, I have a class in which there are 30 boys and 20 girls. But if you have to write the ratio of girls to boys, then I will mention this quantity first. So it will be the ratio of girls, so quantity of girls, and then the number of boys, which is 30. So the number of girls to the number of boys, which means the order of the ratio which has been asked and which we are representing should be the same. The third question. A recipe requires 2 cups of sugar and 3 cups of flour. And if I have to write the ratio of the sugar to flour, I'll write 2 is to 3. Therefore, remember, it is very important to write the correct order of the quantities that have been mentioned in the question. Just this much in this video, but before we end, remember order matters and pay attention to the order that has been mentioned in the question. Happy learning, wish you the best.